Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use call waiting feature in Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your phone application on your Samsung phone. And after you open the phone application, you can click on the three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can click on settings and you can scroll down until you find supplementary services. And this is the settings, so just tap on it. And after that, we can activate this call waiting. You can activate the call waiting feature on both of your SIM card. So you just need to tap on this toggle button to activate it, like this. Okay guys, and this feature allow you to go back and forth between two calls seamlessly and as many times as necessary. When you're in a call with someone and you got another call, you will have option to hold your first call and pick up the second call after you activate this call waiting feature. Okay guys, and that's how we can use call waiting feature in Android or in Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.